The Heygears A2D 4K Hives is an advanced 3D printer that combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features to deliver exceptional results. One of the standout features of this printer is its 4K resolution, which allows for incredibly detailed prints with stunning clarity and precision. In terms of build quality, the Heygears A2D 4K Hives is built to last. It features a sturdy metal frame and a large build volume of 280 by 220 by 200 mm, giving you plenty of space to create even the most complex and detailed prints. The printer also comes with a heated bed, which helps ensure that prints adhere to the build plate and come out looking smooth and accurate. The Heygears A2D 4K Hives is also incredibly easy to use, thanks to its user-friendly interface and intuitive software. The printer comes with its own software, which is easy to install and use, and allows users to control all aspects of the printing process. The software also includes a range of helpful features, such as automatic bed leveling and filament runout detection. Overall, the Heygears A2D 4K Hives is an outstanding 3D printer that offers advanced features and exceptional performance. If you're a professional looking to create high-quality prototypes or a hobbyist looking to take your creativity to the next level, the Heygears A2D 4K Hives is definitely worth considering. Its 4K resolution, dual extruder system, and user-friendly interface make it one of the best 3D printers on the market today.